Got a boring phone case? But don't want to buy a new one? I've got the easiest hack for you. First, grab a clear case and trace its outline onto some paper. Don't forget the camera cutout. Now for the magic part. Go pick your favorite color paper.
Check out this adorable bead kit. So many colors to choose from.
First things first, I gotta pick out the perfect letters. This is where I get to make sure every single bead is just right. Now for the super satisfying part, threading them onto the elastic string. Piece by piece, watching it come together is so rewarding. And ta! So I got this pink phone case, and it was just a blank canvas. First, I grabbed this peach satin bow with perfect pearl details. A little dab of glue here and there because I want this beauty to stay put. And since I'm going all out, why not add some personalized flair with these cute letter beads?
Just a few more adjustments and ta-da!
I'm obsessed with my new phone bows. They're blowing up everywhere and are seriously the cutest way to add personality to my phone. And look at all these amazing styles. And the best part? They make my phone feel unique.